Hey traders and investors, observers. I wanted to prove a point on NIO. I was telling everybody that I was worried. I'm not in the trade. Okay, I think I got out, I don't remember, but I got out with lunch money yesterday or the day before. Now, I'm looking at the market right now, and the market is doing pretty good today. Okay, many of the other trades are doing good today, and this is NIO in real time. And I kept saying I'm worried because it doesn't want to break this 20-day moving average here, right, on the daily. Now that we zoom out, if it'll hold 45 today, the market's doing well, so that's an encouraging thing. But I believe today it had a lot of trouble because it didn't yet break this 20-day moving average on your daily chart. Now, the market's holding it up, in my opinion. Here's how it's traded. So maybe they'll take a good bite and they'll hold it above 45. And then I say, that's great. But I just wanted to point that out. I wanted to do it during the live trading session, that it's a very risky thing, in my opinion, to get hold of these stocks that are not holding the 20-day moving average. Let me give you an example. Palantir, right? This is the daily. I said yesterday, and you had somebody out there that was all worried about Palantir and, maybe the shine is gone or whatever, the shiny thing and all. Like, that's not how it works. That's not how it works. You have market makers, and the market makers are sort of, I don't want to say required, but they're looking at the whole market as a whole. And the market has to go to a certain level. And they chose Palantir today. I'm hoping it goes to 28. I'm in this trade, for the long haul, actually. But look at the candles here. Way back here, I started talking about this. When it was here, as a matter of fact, I expected them to bring it down because now this is just my opinion, 20-day moving average on your daily is home base. Home base, in my opinion. Now, I'd like to see Palantir get more respect than this. Like, I think it should be up to 30 or whatever. In fact, I'll get out today if it goes to 28. But that's the point I was trying to make. I was not worried at all about Palantir. Even it'll go down to 25 something and then catch a bid, and it stayed in this range here, right? On your daily. Went way up here and stayed in this range. I got this line here. I think this is the all-time high or something like that. But you could see the difference in the charts, right? I'm just saying, from a technical perspective, you see the 50-day down here? If this was actually the 20-day and I was looking at it with these candles here, and it just hasn't hit the 20-day yet, then I would have the same opinion as Palantir. But it's struggling here. It's struggling to get over the 20-day. That's very significant on a technical perspective with your technical indicators. Now, if you pull out to the 4-hour, just to give you a better look at it, here's your 20-day. So on the 4-hour chart, it's staying above the 20-day, right? But the market's doing good. the SPY is almost to 372 at this moment. At this moment. So why is there a red candle on NIO right now when SPY 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8 green candles in a row? The market's holding this up. And I hope if you're in the trade, and hope is not a strategy, I'm sure you've heard that one before, right? I hope for your sake, if you're in it, that it'll continue to go up and it'll hold 45 by end of day today. Just making my point on that 20-day moving average, all right? No offense to anybody. God bless. John signing out.